And now what we're going to do is we have a very special welcome today from Sandra Connelly, the Deputy Associate Administrator for Science.
Welcome to the Lunar Surface Science Workshop. I'm Sandra Connelly, NASA Science's Deputy Associate Administrator, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to kick off the first Lunar Surface Science Workshop of 2023. This is such an exciting time for the lunar science community. From this week's incredible news of the Artemis II crew to several commercial lunar payloads landing in the next few months. This year alone, we will fly 13 CLIPS science experiments to enhance our knowledge and understanding of the lunar surface. We are on the brink of a new era of robotic and human exploration. While we are still celebrating the successful launch of Artemis 1 and return of the Orion capsule, NASA and our partners across the country are continuing to make good progress on the Artemis 2, 3, and 4 missions. And now you are here to help us prepare for this new era of exploration and of scientific discovery. Drawn to discover and learn as much as we can about the world and worlds around us, Artemis 3 will mark humanity's first return to the lunar surface in more than 50 years, making history by sending the first woman and person of color to explore the region near the lunar South Pole. But where exactly do we go to best reach our scientific goals? Where can we go to learn the most about volatile processes on the moon, lunar formation, and the origins of our solar system, and planetary processes in general? That is why you are here today, to ensure we are maximizing our scientific return on this incredible exploration opportunity. This workshop is your opportunity to weigh in on the science that we can be accomplishing at the 13 potential landing regions for Artemis 3. NASA plans to down select from 13 to a more manageable handful of sites later this summer. Your input is critical to optimizing our science returns. In addition to lunar science and exploration, Artemis 3 and beyond will provide a unique opportunity to advance planetary science, heliophysics, astrophysics, and earth sciences. And with the return of crew members or deep space exploration, a first since 1972, Artemis also brings new opportunities for our biological and physical science investigations. It is truly an example of science enabling exploration and exploration enabling science. Congratulations again on your recent successes as a community, and thank you for all your efforts, your hard work, and your passion towards advancing lunar science. Without you, we wouldn't be able to proudly proclaim, "We are going." Thanks again and have fun this week.
All right. Well, I appreciate Sandra taking the time to record that excellent introduction.